On the calendar page, you can use the waitlist to record a prospective client's details, including their reason for visit, requested timeframes, and requested clinician. This way, if you or one of your clinicians has an opening, all the details are easily accessible, so you can contact the client and schedule them. And because the information is in your SimplePractice account, it is secure and HIPAA compliant. In this video, we'll review how to add a prospective client to the waitlist and then how to schedule a waitlist client. To add a client to the waitlist, on the calendar page, click Waitlist. This opens the waitlist page. In the upper right, click Add Client. Fill out the client information, or click Add Existing Client. Click Continue. The next page gives you options to add waitlist details, such as a reason for visit, one or more requested clinicians, and requested times. Click Save, and this places the client on your waitlist. Next, you'll be prompted to send the client an intake packet and grant them access to the client portal. If you'd prefer to do this later, click the X in the top right corner to cancel. Let's quickly tour the waitlist page. At the top, the waitlist page has tools to search by client name and phone number. You can also filter by clinician, location, or if the client has already been scheduled. You can also click the Expand button to view more information about each client. On the right corner of each client listing, the button with 3 horizontal dots has options to schedule an appointment, edit the details, or delete them from the waitlist. And on the Clients page, waitlist clients are visible in your client list with the client type Waitlist Client. You can schedule a waitlist client directly from the calendar or from the waitlist page itself. To schedule a waitlist client from the calendar, click Create, Schedule Appointment, or simply click the calendar at the time desired. In the New Appointment window, click on the Search Client drop-down and click Select from Waitlist. This opens the waitlist page where you can search for the client. To the right of the client, click Select. Update the rest of the appointment details as needed and click Done. You can also schedule a client directly from the waitlist page. To the right of the client's name, click the 3 horizontal dots. Select Schedule Appointment. In the New Appointment window, select the date, time, and other details and click Done. If you need to send the client an intake packet, click their name to open their client profile, then click the Share button and complete the remaining steps. Please note that scheduling a client from the waitlist doesn't remove them from the waitlist automatically. To do this, click the 3 horizontal dots and select Remove from Waitlist. Thanks for watching. For more information on the waitlist feature, including who can access the waitlist in a group practice, please visit our Help Center.